Hi, are you currently a homeowner in the Omaha area? Maybe have owned your house for 20, 30, 40 or more years and are considering a move to a senior independent or assisted living community like Woodbridge Senior Village here in Omaha? My name is Ben Sochek and I'm with Home Downsizing Solutions. We do our best to make the sale of a house as stress-free and hassle-free as it possibly can be. Some of the benefits that we can offer to homeowners that are looking to downsize to communities like Woodbridge Senior Village here in Omaha is that you don't have to worry about putting the house on the market at all. We buy direct from you, the seller. You don't have to worry about doing any updates or repairs to a house. You won't have to worry about agents calling at inconvenient times to want to show the house to potential buyers that may or may not be serious about buying the house, that may not even have the financial ability to buy and close on the sale of the house. You don't have to worry about buyers doing home inspections and then nitpicking everything about your house for that. And some of the biggest reasons, some of the biggest benefits that we can provide to you is that you can move and take or sell any or all of the stuff that's in your home, your present house, to your new home or apartment. But the things that you don't want to worry about taking, just leave and we'll take care of it. And the other big benefit that we can offer to you is that if you would like your house sold, but maybe your new home or apartment isn't quite ready for you yet, then we do have a service that we sometimes are able to step in and buy your house, but we can allow you to stay in your house for sometimes maybe up to 90 days to make that transition to your new home or apartment as stress-free and hassle-free as it possibly can be. So again, we do everything that we can to make that transition to your new home or apartment, like here at Woodbridge Senior Living, as stress-free and convenient as it possibly can be. So if we can be at all of help, please contact us at Home Downsizing Solutions, and we'd be happy to try and provide a solution for you to sell your house and move to a better living arrangement. Thank you.